Our TLE Cookery Exploratory course for grade 7 and 8, lesson 1, is all about utilize appropriate kitchen tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. At the end of the lesson, the learners are expected to identify types of tools, equipment, and paraphernalia. Classify the types of appropriate cleaning tools and equipment based on their uses. There are materials, kitchen utensils, and equipment commonly found in the kitchen. Any cook should be familiar with the correct items or utensils, devices, and equipment in the kitchen. It is very important to consider several things, and not only the price when buying them. The work of a cook requires specific tools, utensils, and equipment for proper and efficient preparation of food. Each piece has been designed to accomplish a specific job in the kitchen. The tools, utensils, and equipment are made of different materials, each having certain advantages and disadvantages. Examine the pictures. What can you say about them? The materials found in the kitchen are made of the following: stainless steel. It is important or most popular material used for tools and equipment, but it is more expensive. It is easier to clean and shine, and it will not wear out as soon as aluminum. Choose those with copper, aluminum, or laminated steel bottoms to spread heat and keep the pot from getting heat dark spots. Stainless utensils may be bought in many gauges, from light to heavy. Aluminum is best for all-round use. It is the most popular, lightweight, attractive, and less expensive. It requires care to keep it shiny and clean. Much more, it gives even heat distribution no matter what heat temperature you are. It is available in sheet or cast aluminum. Since it is a soft metal, the lighter gauges will dent and scrap easily, make the utensils unusable. Aluminum turns dark when used with alkalis, such as potatoes, beets, carrots, and other vegetables. Acid vegetables like tomatoes will brighten it. Ceramic and heat-proof glass is used especially for baking dishes, casserole, and measuring cups. Glass and ceramic conduct the heat slowly and evenly. Teflon is a special coated applied to inside of some aluminum or steel pots and pans. It helps food from not sticking to the pan. It is easier to wash and clean. However, take care not to scratch the Teflon coating with sharp instrument, such as knife or fork. Use wooden or plastic spatula to turn or mix food inside. Cast iron is a sturdy but must be kept seasoned to avoid rust. Salad oil with no salt or shortening can be rubbed inside and out and dry. Wash it with soap, not detergent, before using. Here are the common kitchen tools and equipment. Duster is handy for returning some of the meat or poultry juices from the pan back to the food. Basting brushes can be used for the same purpose, but they may also convenient for battering the tops of bread and baked goods after they come out of the oven. Cans, bottles, carton openers used to open a food tin, preferably with a smooth operation and comfortable grip and turning knob. Colanders, also called a vegetable strainer, are essential for various tasks from cleaning vegetables or straining pasta or tin contents. Flippers, used for turning hamburgers and other food items. Panels, used to peel jars made of various sizes of stainless steel, aluminum, or plastic. Graters, used to grate, shred, slice, and separate foods such as carrots, cabbage, and cheese. Cutting board, wooden or plastic board where meat and vegetables can be cut. Dredgers, used to shake flour, salt, and pepper on meat, poultry, and fish. Double broiler, used when temperature must be kept below boiling, such as for eggs, sauces, puddings, and to keep food warm without overcooking. Emery boards and sharpening steel, used to sharpen long knives. Kitchen knives, often referred to as cook's or chef's tool. Knives are a must for all types of kitchen tasks, from peeling an onion and slicing carrots to carving a roast or turkey. Kitchen shears. They are practical for opening food packages, cutting tape or string to package foods, or simply to remove labels or tags from items. Other cutting tools such as box cutters are just a handy specialty for opening packages. Measuring cups, spoons, and measuring bowl are the most important items found in any kitchen. Since consistently good cooking depends upon accurate measurement, measuring tools should be standardized. Measuring cups and spoons are also in the home kitchen. Scales are used to weigh materials of bigger volumes. There are delicate and precision instruments that must be handled carefully and are more dependable in terms of accuracy. Scraper, a rubber or silicone tool to bend or scrape the food from the bowl. Metal silicone or plastic egg turners or flippers. Serving tongs enable you to more easily grab and transfer larger food items, poultry or meat portions, to a serving platter, to a hot skillet or deep fryer, or to a plate. It gives you a better grip, and the longer the tongs, the better, especially when used with a deep fryer, a large stock of pot, or at the barbecue. Soup ladle is used for serving soups or stews, but can also be used for gravy, dessert sauces, and other foods. A soup ladle also works well to remove or skim off fat from soups and stews. Whisk for blending, mixing used for whipping eggs or butter, and for blending gravings, sauces, and soups. The beater are made of looped steel piano wires which are twisted together to form the handle. Wooden spoons continue to be kitchen essentials because of their usefulness for use for creaming, stirring, and mixing. They also be made of hard wood. Kitchen equipment. These are complicated tools found in the kitchen. Big and small electric appliances such as mixer, oven can be conventional, convectional, and microwave. Range, refrigerators are mandatory pieces in the kitchen or in any food establishment. Refrigerator or freezer are necessary in preventing bacterial infections from foods. Most refrigerators have special compartments for meat, fruits, and vegetables to keep the moisture content of each type of food. Butter compartment holds butter separately to prevent food odor from spoiling its flavor. Basically, refrigerator or freezer is an insulated box equipped with refrigeration unit and a control to maintain the proper inside temperature for food storage. For our auxiliary equipment, we have broilers, tilting skillets, and griddles. So what are the difference between the three? By the way, auxiliary equipment are not necessary, okay? So these are most commonly used in big establishments like restaurants, food chain. So broilers, it cook from top, while griddles, it cook from the bottom. Tilting skillets, it cook all around. It can be used for deep frying, grilling, overall. It can be used in any cooking ways or steaming, okay? Steamer, coffee maker, and deep fryer. These are also belong to auxiliary equipment. Wok and crockery or crockery. For cutting equipment, we have food chopper, meat slicer, and grinder. Mixer and bowl. Blender, used to chop, blend, mix, puree, grate, and liquefy all kinds of food. A blender is very useful appliance. They vary in the amount of power, voltage, or wattage. Others vary and do not do the same job. Microwave oven have greatly increased their use in the food industry. Food can be prepared ahead of time, frozen or refrigerated during the slack periods, and cooked or heated quickly in the microwave oven. Can you now identify the name of each tool or equipment? Did you get it right? For your assignment, click the given link to perform your online quiz. You have the option to click directly the Google form or to go to your classroom, Google Classroom. I hope you learn and may God bless you all.